Hey guys, so today I'm going to be taking you through my wash routine along with my styling routine, and I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this, and this. So I hope you guys like the video, and let's get right into it.
Above must also be. This could go